Welcome back to Money Mind Book Club, where we go beyond numbers to uncover the mindset and psychology behind building real, lasting wealth. Today, let's talk about something every investor, beginner or experienced, must learn to live with: the uncertainty of markets. As Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing, wisely said, "In the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it is a weighing machine." This single idea could save you years of frustration, fear, and costly mistakes. No matter how many books you read or experts you follow, there's one thing you cannot control or predict with certainty: what the market will do tomorrow, next week, or next month. Yet so many people fall into the trap of thinking they can outsmart the market. They try to time every dip and every peak, hoping to buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Why is it so difficult to accept that we can't predict the market? The answer is deeply human. Our brains are wired to seek certainty and control. When faced with unpredictability, we feel discomfort. It triggers our ancient fight-or-flight response. These emotional reactions hurt our financial goals far more than the market's volatility itself. You know, market ups and downs aren't a flaw in the system, they're actually a feature. If you can just accept that volatility is normal, you'll stop seeing every dip as a disaster and start seeing it as part of the journey. Long-term investors who stay calm often benefit the most, while those who react emotionally usually lock in losses. Think back to the global financial crisis of 2008. Markets around the world crashed. Many investors panicked and sold at huge losses, convinced things would never recover. Yet those who stayed invested, or even kept buying during the downturn, saw remarkable gains later. By 2013, markets had not just recovered, but reached new all-time highs. What made the difference? Emotional discipline and a long-term mindset. So how can you train yourself to stay steady when markets get rough? Stop trying to guess where the market will go tomorrow. History shows that over decades, markets trend upward, despite short-term chaos. And remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Don't put all your money in one asset, sector, or region. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and even different countries. Diversification reduces risk and helps your portfolio weather unexpected storms. Create a long-term investment strategy and commit to it. Keep contributing regularly, rebalance occasionally, and avoid sudden moves based on headlines. Mentally prepare for market swings. When they happen, you'll see them not as surprises, but as part of the plan. In the end, investing success isn't about predicting markets. It's about managing your own emotions. It's about sticking to your plan, even when the news is scary, avoiding the urge to chase hot stocks or get-rich-quick trends, and remembering that downturns are temporary, but wealth building is a lifelong process. These principles, patience, discipline, and emotional intelligence, aren't just tools to make money. They reshape how you think about money. By focusing on what you can control, your behavior, your plan, your mindset, you can transform uncertainty from a threat into an opportunity. So next time the market dips or spikes, just take a deep breath and remember, in the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it is a weighing machine. Stay focused on the long term and let the market do what it does best: grow over time. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe and share this video. And tell us in the comments, how do you stay calm during market volatility? Thanks for watching Money Mind Book Club. Until next time, invest wisely, think long term, and keep your emotions in check.